Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There it is. Like, can you bend your head a little bit?
I feel like I need to be quiet.
Oh my god.
I can see every single strand of hair and this is crazy. You gonna tie it at the end with a rubber band?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I want to do these braids. If I want to do them this way.
I hope you do the same. Like, my mom gonna be like, "Why is one under and one is over?" I'm be like, "Listen, I don't." I remember one time she yelled at me for doing them overhand.
Oh, you.
Because I was doing my own box braids, but jumbo, and she was like, "Why the fuck would you do them over?" I'm like, "She, they won't stay that long." I'm like, "Why are you yelling at me?" She's like, "Let me do them." I was like, "Okay, I don't care."
Oh my god.
That's why you can't talk to nobody that went to fucking hair school, because they don't know how to fucking act. I wonder how long this about to take.
Bruh.
Because I seen that one small piece, I'm like, good the fuck luck.
For real.
Good thing is I don't got that much hair.
Yeah, I mean the sizes are big. It's just the
It'll stay.
Oh, it will stay okay.
Yeah.
I was just
No,
wondering.
girl. You don't even need to do that. I'm gonna go to sleep and that shit gonna tickle my neck. At night I'm be like, who fucking me? I need to have a straight back, huh? You're like, damn, why the fuck is your spine in this video?
I've seen this at the store I went to.
The booster? I think it'll work really good on you. You probably won't need as much.
Yeah, I seen it.
And it smell good. And it don't be leaving like white, white stuff, like white residue.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I was gonna get it, then I saw this
Nah,
shit right
to
here.
say, yeah, what's that? Look like the same damn thing. They all got the same kind of.
But it leaves the white thing, so that's why I'm like, I don't know. Cause you see my.
Oh yeah.
Wanna see it?
No, just keep going.
Clearly.
Look,
Cause the way we moving.
we ain't gonna be done until 2021. Like, dang, I gotta do my dreads next.
When are we doing that?
Oh,
Cause that's gonna have to be sometime next week.
I just thought about it. Give me a break.
That's gonna have to be sometime next week, I guess.
I was thinking if I should do the butterfly dreads or not.
I was gonna tell you that, cause I know how to do those.
Yeah, me too, but I don't. I feel like.
Oh, you can do them not too much butterfly-ish. Cause some people have
caterpillar. Okay.
Some people they have it so much,
Yeah, that's why I was like, it looks so crazy.
Yeah.
What I had it at Myrtle Beach was like enough for me, but that wasn't even butterfly. It was just the textured hair. So I wonder if I should just do the textured hair and not do butterfly, which would be a lot faster.
No, the butterfly.
I mean,
not that hard.
Not faster, but like. Shit now. Why did you? The plastic cut me.
Oh, damn. You gotta get a deep cut in.
Damn. I was trying not to do that.
It's alright.
I see. Oh, we got one more in here. Okay.
Yeah,
Just in case. That's so terrible. It's just a wow. Why would her look longer on that side? Oh Lord. You need anything else, sweet cheeks?
Oh my goodness.
That is so funny, dog. I hope we don't get another one stuck. Where's the other one? What's this? Okay. That was so embarrassing. I said, you get it? She said, that shit stuck. I seen the white piece on stick. I'm ready to go to sleep, nigga. It should not be this funny.
It was stuck in there.
I seen that white piece sticking up. I said, no, this shit not broke. In my fucking head, dog. What? Oh. Now I gotta break this one in like I've been doing the other one. Telling you this shit not meant for black people.
Do they have larger beads?
Yeah, the gold ones.
I mean, like.
No, I got it. Oh wait.
Yeah, we getting kicked out. Oh my god.
Believe me, you don't need no rubber band right there. Jackie, that's embarrassing. We didn't broke 2 of these because my hair is so damn nappy. I can still probably use this. Let's see.
Yeah, you probably can.
Let's see if I can close one of these ones up. That's embarrassment to society. I should be embarrassed. And the fact is, we not even done. Like, it's not like we done. We still got half a head left. So what we gonna do when...
I'm gonna try to go as fast as I fucking can.
No, I'm talking about with how it's gonna work when if or we break the other one.
Oh well.
Nigga, this whole so pissed off. This whole time I was doing it and it's not even.
Oh, was he trying to put the rubber band?
Yes. Let's see if I can get this to work. You know, we can hot glue this shit.
Yeah, this is in there. It's there getting the hair in there.
Ain't no way we ran through 2 of these in 30 minutes.
Why would I don't know if
I gave up on the beads. You can finish them.
or just whatever hair is easier to do.
Yeah. Look, I can't say nothing because you done ripped off the other one too. That shit was stuck in my fucking head. I can't believe it. At least these look nice. Are you done with this one?
Mm-hmm.
Should I open the last one?
Go ahead.
Or do you want me to just wait for you?
Now you can. These are small, so.
I'm nervous. That'd be something we get all the way halfway done. Look, we got run to the dollar store real quick. It's closed. Oh, Lord, nothing going right. I done dropped the scissors.
Your mom gonna be like, what the fuck is this hairstyle, Korea?
Ow!
My bad. You done went back to school. Somebody text me.
Yeah, I don't know who it was then. I'm cutting this like I went to jail or something. It's so fucking ugly. I just don't want to make a huge ass mess and have beads.
Can you tap the screen? Yeah.
I got your phone good. Is there a reason why you gotta make that face?
Oh.
You said. I'm about to look like Travis Scott, girl.
Yep.
Oh, girl, my eye! Did you see it? I don't know why it's a nerve, but my eyes start twitching. Just the window. You gonna play it back and see it in the mirror. You be like, damn, what the fuck is wrong with that bitch? She having exorcisms. Alright.
Oh, in the name of the Lord.
That's what I said. This should be good.
Get cute. Sure.
I'll probably get cute Thursday. Cause I gotta go get some bubble tea with my friend.
Baby, some bubble tea.
Girl, now.
Shake it.
Come on, Pop Smoke. I got my